Even after playing 16 years of professional squash and counting, I never took a break. But then, there are moments that are beyond sport. Motherhood. And being a hands-on mother, I like doing things my way. When my twins were born, Kabir and Zian, it took twice the work. There is no right or wrong method. But I like to be in control. How do I take care of them? I prepare. Just like sports, I read, I talk to a lot of people, and I do some research. And one such researchers introduced me to Sebamed baby products, and it has helped me to feel completely in control when it comes to Kabir and Zian. Sebamed is a dermatologically tested and European certified product for babies' delicate skin. It is made from completely safe botanical ingredients. I didn't just read it, but I tested it, and it's a perfect pH 5.5 myself. Sebamed, helping you to be a hands-on and the safest best a mother can give her baby.